Si Joy. Si Joy. Nagka-cramming yung mga tao. Sharay. Guys. Yapan na siya kanina, guys.
There's plenty of these things. And I'm studying right now. Okay. Documentary, yes. Source of correction tape. Ito, kaniyang brand, guys. Adik sa Mr. DIY. O, diba? Gubot kayo, mi. Kang! Nakabawas sa juguni mo. Nakabawas sa kuni mo. Yay! Hindi na ata. Wait! Yes, that's my friend, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So now, Demi diri karon. Look at that. Two lovers.
Yeah, diba guys? Wow, that's my classmate. He's running away. My friend, the one who braids me. She's so pretty and she's so lovable. And that's my friend also. My friend is so very cutesy. Yes, now APE vlog. Yes. APE. 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 APE vlog. Vlog. A vlog. A vlog. APE ba? APE. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Giveaway iPhone 17.
Look.
For you guys. Giveaway iPhone 17.
Look.
For you guys.
So you must remember that you will contact her. Gracious Dania 123 Kanoy.
My God, look at that. A picture together. A picture together.
Yes, I have a video.
Oh my God, hindi na talaga sila kalapit na yung tapos dito.
My parents!
Send GC guys, send GC. Ikaw pa rin pala. Hanap pala. I got it.
And a fun of forgiving na.
Uy, ngunit mong gigusi, Alisa. Uy, you need to talk to each others. Oh, my parents. It's Tagaging. Yes, my parents. Yes. Let's see. Napaka yung video, guys. Opa daw.
Nasmile yung taus, oh. Nasmile yung taus.
Kailan ko yung...
Tanawa. Tanasa. Now.
So, mag-survey na mi guys. Kami ang tanang mga brown.
Tagay ko na po be. Pwede mo service.
Miss na po siya. Miss na po siya.
Ito ko rin video tayo. Ano yung papel ni JJ guys? Sira niya ang papel ni JJ. Ingna mong abi ha, subscribe ha, para permite siya kita ni mo.
Julius, subscribe to our channel.
Mommy, yes, my mommy and parents, my parents is already married. They're dating now. They're dating, yes.
And your tita is getting...
Yes, and the anak here is still heart. It's still, you know. Guys, they were whispering at the corridor, and I didn't know what they're talking about. We're gonna go to the section Alexandrite right now. Zerkande, wala na daw Alexandrite.
Ang kuwan to dito ay walay ka nang marag findings. Layo. Ay, the point five sila no? Sila gamit.
Tapos tigong niya. Ano ang hula naman binibukol na ang...
Look, dito na sa tapit sa inyo nga katong magwakwag. Oh, kuyawan na kayo. Dito sa babaw. Katong dapit. Clark mo nagbumbahan kita. Clark, buhos. Asa usa kasi usa kay puno na ka buok.
Moro ko na siya kaseryoso guys.